take up the patrol helicopter to cover the ceremony from the air. Chester.
You still know how to fly a chopper?
Oh, man, it's just like riding a bike. You never forget.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go through our pre-flight checklist. Cirillo wants us to take off the second this stuff is loaded. He wants us out of here fast.
I don't know about this, man.
Come on, Kurt, the chopper's right over here.
Are you sure you remember how to fly one of these things?
It'll be fun. Just relax.
That's what you told me before we crashed the hand glider.
I would also like to acknowledge the generosity. Tears well up in my eyes when I picture the children of Ceylon benefiting from the generosity of the people of Beverly Hills. So many of you have opened your hearts to us. What do you... That'll be quite enough, Mr. Nelson.
I love you.
Let's discuss this. Move and move quickly.
Hey, you got some haul here, huh? You don't understand. In 5 minutes, this place is going to be crawling with cops.
I have diplomatic immunity. They can't do anything to me. I'm going home.
I got news for you, pal. Home may be coming to you. I called your government. I told them what you've been doing, and they're not very happy about it.
Will you relax? We're only 300 feet up.
Good. Then I'll only make a little splat when I hit the ground.
Yeah, like the 6.9 on a Richter scale.
You are good at lying. Good bluff.
This police are coming to get you. Now, I'll give you a choice. You can either do time in one of our American prisons or take the punishment they dish out in your country. What is it now? They're still chopping off hands for stealing?
With one hand.
One hand. The liberals must have took over. Look.
Something's going on down there.
What the heck is Rocky doing on a hood of a limo?
Maybe they haven't got no room on the inside.
Take me. I want protection. I demand political asylum.
All right. Welcome to America. For those It's not as pretty from behind bars. It'll have to do.